Hello and Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty DIY videos here. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. Now today I am sharing how to make funny handmade Christmas cards for your friends and family. So go grab your crafting supplies and let's get started with our first fun card. To make this card, you will need white folded card. Then draw a dome-like shape and a bottom scallop edge with black waterproof marker. Now cut out this shape using pair of scissors and make sure to keep a little bit folding line intact. Next, I am using watercolors to color my fun card, but you can use any coloring medium you have at home. Let it dry completely and then add a cute kawaii face to make a jellyfish. Next, add some details with white gel pen. Now to add tentacles to jellyfish, I am using this blue curly ribbon. Attach it on back using any glue you have. I am using hot glue. Now cut these ribbons into thin strips. Now curl these ribbons using pen or a pencil. I am using a dotting tool here. Now I am writing Christmas fun message inside with some colorful markers. And our super cute jellyfish Christmas card is ready. Now here's the second Christmas funny card idea. For this, take a folded white card. Then draw some peas with Santa hats. If you are using watercolors like me, then be sure to outline your image with black waterproof marker. Now I am coloring this image in traditional green and red color. Let it completely dry and then add cute kawaii faces with black pen. Now it's time to write fun message inside. And our cute and funny Christmas handmade card is ready. Now for third fun card idea, you will need a white folded square card with rounded corners. Then draw two tiny ears like shape and stick them with some glue. I am using brown watercolor to color this fun card. Now let it completely dry and then add a cat face details with black pen. Next, write the fun message inside. And our third cat-shaped Christmas fun card is ready. I hope you liked this video. If you recreate any one of these cards, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with hashtag DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day and happy crafting!